Welcome to our channel. Today we how to scale cybersecurity with Auth0, full guide step by step clearly. First, it's essential to understand the importance of securing your digital assets. Start by assessing your current cybersecurity posture. Identify vulnerabilities within your systems and applications. Next, choose the right identity management platform to centralize authentication and authorization. Auth0 is a leading provider for this purpose. Begin by signing up for an Auth0 account if you haven't already. Once logged in, create a new application tailored to your needs. Select the appropriate application type, such as single-page application or regular web application. Configure your application settings by defining the allowed callback URLs. This ensures proper redirection after user authentication. Proceed to set up your user management. Utilize Auth0's dashboard to create user roles and permissions. Implement multi-factor authentication to add an additional layer of security. Next, integrate Auth0 with your existing tech stack. Follow the provided documentation for your specific programming language or framework. Use the Auth0 SDK to simplify the integration process. Ensure that your application is authenticating users through Auth0 properly. Test the authentication flow to confirm everything works as expected. Next, scale your user management strategy by leveraging Auth0's universal login feature. This provides a seamless user experience across multiple applications. Utilize the authorization code flow for secure token exchange. Ensure you're well-versed in creating and managing access tokens. Monitor user activities using Auth0's logging and analytics features. Regularly review logs to detect any suspicious activities. Consider automating user provisioning and deprovisioning. This will streamline your management of user identities. Implement regular audits of your security policies and practices. Stay updated with the latest features and security updates from Auth0. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.